ये हायर जुडिशरी में कोटा लगा देना चाहिए।
Other Indians are not available there.
अदर इंडियंस
Why?
की क्या बात है? इस शुभांशु शुक्ला लेसर इंडियन देन उदित राज? इज ही अ लेसर इंडियन?
Particular community.
When all of you run out of answers and logic, then you resort to this, absurdity. आप मुझे बताइए, इस शुभांशु शुक्ला लेसर इंडियन देन उदित राज? Is he? He is not. And what
Raj,
process are you talking about? Transparency in process? आप बताइए सर, क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए? बताइए
Udit Raj
क्या
has said,
एक मिनट, क्या प्रोसेस था? अभी जो प्रोसेस है ऑफ 1 मिनट सर, देयर आर मेनी प्रोसेसेस दैट आर नॉट बीइंग फॉलोड। कांग्रेस के टाइम पे भी क्या प्रोसेस था, कितना ओपेक था, ट्रांसपेरेंट था, ये सबको पता है। पर डॉक्टर रंगनाथन,
नहीं, एज आई सेड, देखिए एक एक करके सबकी हिपोक्रेसी सामने आ रही है। रवि जी ने तो यहां तक कह दिया कि जो हमारे जो स्पेस साइंटिस्ट जो आज गए हैं शुक्ला जी, वो तो क्वालिफाइड ही नहीं है, स्किल ही नहीं है उनमें, यहां तक कह दिया। और ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरिट का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है, फ्लॉड कॉन्सेप्ट है। मुझे नहीं लगता इन्होंने आज तक कोई एग्जाम पास किया होगा, वो अलग बात है, पर ये एग्जाम नहीं चाहते, कोई बात नहीं। राहुल गांधी की तरह हर जगह, वो तो मणिशंकर अय्यर ने भी कहा था, राजीव गांधी भी हर जगह से फेल हुए हैं। तो जो पूरी डायनेस्टी की सिचुएशन ऐसी हो तो ऑब्वियसली मेरिट इज नो प्रॉब्लम। इज व्हेन वी एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग बेटर फ्रॉम समवन एंड दैट पर्सन डिसअपॉइंट्स। एंड हियर तुहीन इज माय ब्रदर, मैं बता रहा हूं मेरे भाई से कम नहीं है, लेकिन इनको मैं आज जाने नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि भाई न्यूरो सर्जरी वाला कोई लेस एक्सपर्टीज है क्या, कोई लेस नीश है स्पेस साइंस से? वहां पे आपको कोटा नहीं चाहिए, न्यूरो सर्जरी में, बायोकेमिस्ट्री में क्यों रखा हुआ है आपने कोटा?
तुहिन,
देखिए, मेरे दोस्त, मेरे भाई आनंद को ऐसा लगने लगा है कि पूरी दुनिया उनको छोड़कर हिपोक्रेट है, तो उसका समाधान मैं नहीं ढूंढ सकता हूं। जो ब्रॉडर इशू, जो आज का विषय है, उसमें मैं आपको बता दूं, द गवर्नमेंट्स जॉब इज ऑफ एन एनेबलर, इट डज नॉट टेक एडहॉक डिसीजंस, एंड बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ द सीरीज ऑफ decisions we have taken in the space sector. Today, the size of the space economy stands at 8.4 billion. In the next 7 or 8 years, it will be above $44 billion. So there will be, I'm promising you on this show tonight, that in the next 2 decades, you will find many people from the Dalit community as leading astronauts, as leading scientists, but they will make it there on their merit. They will not be there because Rahul Gandhi is demanding so. They will not be there because the Congress party wants to weaponize caste.
Dr. Ranganathan is not convinced.
Oh, that's his discretion.
No, I am not convinced because he has not answered the question. Tuhin was asked a simple question. Why do you have quota in neurosurgery, bhai? Is it any less than space science? वो answer करना नहीं है because he knows he can't answer it. Because he's kept quota in everything else on his whims and fancies, and he's not kept in some. That is where the hypocrisy is. And it is insulting to great doctors, great computer sciences, great engineers, that they are having quota there, but
right.
You say that some areas are so niche that we will not have quota there.
Okay,
that
Nikhil
is hypocrisy.
Jain, Nikhil Jain is back with his paper. Yeah, Nikhil, what is it this time?
Thank you so much. So first of all, I never said that being an astronaut is somewhat more or less of an accomplishment than a neurosurgeon. So I think Dr. Ranganathan got me wrong there. My entire point was that we only have 1 or 2 people going into space in many years, so therefore it is not feasible to have quotas, whereas we do have a number of vacancies for neurosurgeons and other such professions, which is why you can have reservations there, which is why we do have reservations there. Secondly, he started with a quote of Jawaharlal Nehru. Let me also start with a quote. Women should not step out of the house to work. Their foremost duty is to look after the home and raise children. Women's liberation is a Western idea which will destroy our culture. M.S. Golwalkar, the second chief of the RSS, in 1942. So this is the ideology that Dr. Anand Ranganathan propounds. Let him come to terms with that. Thirdly, a point was made about how there are no reservations in the higher judiciary. Let me correct you on that. Higher judiciary, which is district judges and additional district judges, they do have reservations.
Oh,
the
higher
superior
judiciary is district
which is
judges.
the High Court
Okay.
and the Supreme Court,
Higher
they're
judiciary is
also-
district judges. Really? ये गलत प्रिंट आउट आ गया आपका। आप देखिए, द नेक्स्ट पेज हैज द राइट आंसर ऑफ व्हाट इज द हायर जुडिशरी। रतन शारदा जी, डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, आई एम कमिंग टू यू आफ्टर दिस।
See this we are just creating more and more poison around the debate. Basic point is, why are we creating a nonsense kind of horrible situation when we are out there to celebrate some achievements? he talked about this scientist. So ISRO has great achievements. Do you know ISRO has no caste-based reservations for any of the neither do BRC nor BrahMos Aerospace has a reservation based on caste. Why it is not there? What Anand Ranganathan says is right, but to my point, which is not any official point, reservation should be there at the beginning. Then we should enable those people to rise to the level. We send people with reservation to IIT, they end up paying suicide. Why? Because they're never given support by the authorities there. They were never given to come up to the level of people who came with merit, and they suffer. OBC, SC, ST people, when they go to government, when they rise in the promotion due to quota, they are looked down upon by the other caste. They remain on the sidelines.
Right.
Is this the way to bring in equity? No, it is not. And then secondly, judiciary, where are the women judges? They make a lot of noises. Where are the village judges? They make a lot of noises. So this entire debate is totally screwed up because we don't understand that by creating this kind of caste equation everywhere, we are just spoiling the entire achievement of this country over last so many years.
Right.
And that is really sad because they never questioned whether army has a reserve or not. There are various kind of caste-based units in the army, but they are not caste-based. Their names are caste put in by the British. Do they know that?
No, even about the army, comments have been made, that one Jawan is this and the other Jawan is that. You know about it, but Dr. Ranganathan was making the larger point, which you think is the right thing, that, as quota as an enabler, as a principle of enabler is fine, but neurosurgery is a super speciality. अब वहां पे भी आपने quota लगा दिया है, तो then it does not help that cause.